Hello, I'm Bob Ross. I've covered it with a nice thin even coat of the liquid white. I'm going to start off today with a small amount of phthalo blue. Now then, let's start right up in here and we'll use little crisscross strokes. Phthalo blue and phthalo green. There. If you've painted with me before, you know this is the fun part. We wash our brushes with odorless thinner. Shake off the excess, and then it just beats the devil out of it. Let's make some big fluffy clouds today. Okay. I think he's going to live. He is now. Right there. No pressure. Prussian blue in it. Just white, Prussian blue. Tap it down right there. Very lightly.